The Chief Election Officer of Meghalaya, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, had announced the election dates and details related to poll procedures for the ensuing assembly elections in the state, which are as per the guidelines of the Election Commission of India. As for the enforcement of the Model Code of Conduct and guidelines of the same, the state's Chief Election Commission informed that this has been enforced as soon as the ECI had announced the election dates for the three northeastern states of Tripura, Nagaland and Meghalaya.
And as you would have been witness to the press conference held by the Chief Election Commissioner and the Honourable Commission in the afternoon today, the dates are known in respect of Meghalaya for all the 60 constituencies. The date of issue of the Gazette notification has been notified as on 31st of January 2023. The last date of making nominations is on 7th of February 2023. The date for scrutiny of nominations is on 8th of February 2023. The last date for the withdrawal of the candidatures has been fixed for 10th of February 2023. The date of poll will be on the 27th of February on Monday, and date of counting has been fixed on the 2nd of March. And date before which all the election process should be completed is on 4th of March. As you know, the term of the House of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly will expire on the 15th of March. And in Meghalaya, out of the 60 assembly constituencies, 55 are in fact ST and 5 are in fact general. So that in terms of the notifications and the date for the poll. So I would like to once again share some facts with the friends from the press that the total electorate that will go into the polls this time around is 21,61,129, and males number 10,68,801, females in fact account for 10,92,326. So it's a positive note for our state, being a matrilineal state, that female enrollment is also higher than the male enrollment. And we also have 3,844 service electors. In terms of the net increase over the previous in fact electorate, that means the draft roll, it's a 2.36% increase over the last draft roll, and about 13,848 names were deleted from the electoral rolls because the date of notification is January 31st. But as per the rules of the ECI, in terms of the Model Code of Conduct, it will kick in right from the date of announcement. So immediately after the date of once the elections have been duly announced by the Election Commission in New Delhi, the provisions of the Model Code of Conduct will kick in specifically. In what manner it is going to be enforced, I will share with you. So there are different timelines. One standard guideline is that the Model Code of Conduct will be taken to 472 hours during the first 72 hours of the announcement of the election schedule, for ensuring that there is extra vigilance and strict enforcement right up to the close of polls. Now, in what way, in what manner this MCC will operate? Number one is on defacement of property. So, as per the instructions of the Commission, there are three types of there are three different categories in terms of the defacement of property. One is defacement of government property. So this the district election officers will have to immediately ensure that that they shall be removed within 24 hours from the announcement of the elections. I'm having a video conference with all the DCs also tomorrow, and we will be sharing with them these provisions. Then also the defacement of public property and misuse of public space. This has to be removed within 48 hours. And defacement of private property this shall be removed within 72 hours. So there are different timelines for the MCC to be complied with by the district authority. Just to clear the confusion, because maybe there may be a thinking that everything should be done within 24 hours, but there are a different set of timelines for each different category.